Hi, boys and girls, this is Ms. Moran, and welcome to your math lesson. This week, we will continue to learn about 3D shapes. We're going to learn the name of the 3D shapes, and we're going to learn how to identify them, okay? So let me go over what we did last time. Okay, so last time we talked about the shape sphere, that it had 0 faces and 0 vertices, and that a baseball looks like a sphere. We also talk about the cube and how the cube has 6 faces that are square. The faces look like squares, and that it has 8 vertices, and that the ice cube looked like a cube. Then we talked about the cone, and we talked about how it has one face that looks kind of like a circle, and that it has 0 vertices, and that an ice cream cone looks like a cone. Then we also talked about how the cylinder has 2 faces that kind of look like a circle and where you can stand it up on, and that it had 0 vertices, and that a soda can or a vegetable can looks like a cylinder, right? So now that we went over that real quick, I want to show you what your homework's going to look for. Okay, what it's going to look like today. Okay, so this is what your homework looks like. In the first page, you're going to just see this picture again, just so that it can remind you what a sphere looks like, what a cube, cone, or cylinder looks like. But this on the second page is where your homework is. So you have some pictures down here of real life items or objects that you need to sort to see if they are spheres or cones. So this one right here kind of looks like a cone, right? It's shaped like a cone. So you will move it up here, okay? And here is a baseball, and that looks kind of like a sphere, so you would move it over here. Okay, so on this page, let me put it back so that you can do it. So you won't have the answers, but in this page, we're going to do spheres and cones. On the second page, we're going to do cubes and cylinders, okay? So this one kind of looks like a what? Does it look like a cube or a cylinder? It looks like a cylinder, so you will put it over here. And these blocks look like cubes or cylinders. And I put like a little picture up here so that will help you. So that will look like a cube, right? Okay. So that is what your homework looks like. I hope you enjoy it and send it to me once you are done. And I will see you tomorrow where we will continue learning about 3D shapes.